here at Thame Cars, and we got this in the showroom. It's a 2017 Hyundai i10. It's a 1 litre petrol manual car. It's done 29,335 miles and comes finished in white. Looks great in the showroom there in that colour. Some fog lights at the front there. Let's take a look around the car. This car's in perfect showroom condition. There's no scratches, no dents, nothing like that. And it's ready to drive away today. If you really like the car, you can put down a £99 holding deposit fee. And we can reserve the car for you. Let's take a look up inside the cabin. So you've got front and rear electric windows, electric side mirrors, steering wheel. Great value for money, this car really is. You get cruise control, you get Bluetooth. This is your trip computer. You've got your volume control here. You've got Bluetooth in the centre here with digital radio. It's really good. Of course, you get your Bluetooth. Looking further down, air conditioning with heating, climate control, USB port and aux connection if you want to play your music or charge your phone on the go. Cup holders down here. These nice seats. Let's take a look up inside at the back. We've just got some stuff in there at the moment, but there you go. Boot space. Thank you very much for watching, folks. Bye-bye.